concept of flying cars has fascinated humanity for decades, often depicted in futuristic movies and science fiction. But how close are we to turning this dream into a reality? Surprisingly, flying cars are no longer just a distant fantasy. Significant progress has been made in recent years. Flying cars, also known as electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, eVTOLs, are designed to combine the flexibility of drones with the functionality of traditional cars. Companies like Joby Aviation, Hyundai, and even tech giant Uber have invested heavily in this technology. Joby Aviation, for instance, has already conducted successful test flights with its eVTOL prototypes, which can travel up to 150 miles on a single charge. Similarly, startups like Aeromobile and Terrafugia have developed hybrid models that can transition between driving and flying modes. However, challenges remain. The first hurdle is technology. While the engineering behind flying cars has advanced, perfecting battery efficiency, safety, and autonomous navigation is still a work in progress. For these vehicles to gain widespread adoption, they must meet strict safety standards akin to those of commercial airplanes. Another significant challenge is infrastructure. Urban areas would require extensive updates to support flying cars, including creating sky lanes, vertiports, and charging hubs. These developments come with high costs and regulatory complexities. Then there's the question of affordability. Early models of flying cars are expected to be expensive, limiting their accessibility to a select few. Companies aim to eventually make them a viable alternative for urban transportation, but that goal is still years away. Despite these challenges, the industry is optimistic. Analysts predict we could see the first commercial flying cars by 2030, primarily used for short-distance air taxis or emergency services. While we're not quite ready to replace our roads with sky highways, the dream of flying cars is closer than ever, just a few technological and logistical breakthroughs away from becoming reality.